Hello dear viewers. Ever gazed at your hardwood floors and wished for a cleaning wizard that preserves their shine and battles the stubborn dirt? Well, dreams do come true. Today we're diving deep into the realm of steam mops, showcasing the absolute best designed explicitly for those lustrous hardwood floors. Whether you're a meticulous cleaner or someone seeking an effortless sparkle, this guide promises revelations that'll redefine your cleaning routine. So, strap in and prepare to glide through a world where hardwood meets its perfect match. Picture this: 6 months, 25 plus steam mops, all in the quest for the ultimate hardwood champion. The result? We've cherry-picked the top 6 that truly stand out, each boasting features that'll make your floors gleam with pride. For an in-depth analysis and a comparison tool, visit our website at www.crediblepick.com. Number 6. Black & Decker 7-in-1 Steam Mop. This steam mop, designed brilliantly for hardwood floors, is more than its title suggests. With 11 attachments, it transitions from mopping to tasks like grout cleaning and detailed brushing. Weighing just 6 pounds, its lightness is commendable, though prolonged handheld use might tire your arms. In our tests, it tackled spills with ease, offering consistent steam coverage. Its agile head navigates corners, but can be challenging for linear mopping. While its plethora of accessories can seem intimidating and the manual lacks clarity, for those envisioning a comprehensive steam cleaning experience, this gadget is worth the consideration. Number 5. The Shark Steam & Scrub S7001. The Shark Steam & Scrub S7001 is a game changer in the world of floor cleaning. From the very first use, I was impressed with its dual-action prowess, effortlessly combining steam and scrub capabilities. Not only did it seamlessly glide over tiles and laminates, but its performance on hardwood floors was truly exceptional. It maintained the integrity of the wood, leaving it gleaming without any water residue. The steam function is efficient, providing consistent heat, while the scrubbing feature ensures a deeper clean, reaching into nooks and crannies that often get overlooked. For those with hardwood flooring, the Shark S7001 is a reliable choice, striking the perfect balance between thorough cleaning and gentle care. Number 4. Dupre Neat Steam. Introducing the Dupre Neat Steam, the ultimate cleaning powerhouse. Boasting a colossal 1,600ml tank and a 3.5-inch wide-mouthed opening, this machine is designed to last. Glides seamlessly with its 16-foot cord and 6.5-foot hose, conquering vast spaces in a single stride. The cherry on top? 3 Velcro-attached mop pads and a treasure trove of attachments, from a precision noddle to copper scrubbers and squeegees. Where it truly shines is its unmatched cleaning might. The Neat Steam is a cleaning gladiator, effortlessly besting its rivals and mastering any challenge thrown its way. Whether it's the silkiest synthetic or the most intricate grout, it sweeps through with finesse. Swapping between grout-busting tools and mop heads is a breeze, ensuring a pristine finish. But what really sets the Neat Steam apart is its deep cleaning arsenal. Tackle vast stains with its large scrub brush, or finesse tight spots with its precision brushes, including a robust copper-bristled variant. Its power nozzle directs a potent steam jet right where it's needed, amplifying its cleaning prowess. And with a trio of adjustable hose lengths compatible with its myriad tools, there's scarcely a nook or cranny it can't refresh. If there's an MVP for steam cleaning, the Neat Steam undeniably claims the title. Number 3. Shark Steam Pocket Mop. Meet the Shark Steam Pocket Mop, the stealthy cleaning hero our senior editor swears by. While it hasn't undergone our standard testing gauntlet, the glowing first-hand endorsement from our seasoned team member puts it confidently among our top contenders. Dubbed the Pocket Mop, its sleek design is as efficient as it is elegant. It brandishes a reversible mop head, letting you utilize both sides of the fiber pad mid-cleaning without any interruption. No, it doesn't dazzle with a barrage of add-ons like some models, but what it lacks in flashy accessories, it more than compensates with its dependable week-in, week-out performance. Imagine a mop ready to steam in just 20 seconds and cooling off just as swiftly, reducing any scalding risks when swapping out pads. Admittedly, the pad removal could be more user-friendly, and there was a minor hiccup with a cord clip. But let's be real, these are tiny trade-offs for a stalwart cleaner. If a clutter-free, no-nonsense, floor-exclusive steam mop is your aim, this one's worth more than a glance. The highlights? it's lightweight and built to last. It retains water between uses for convenience. A breeze to navigate with a reversible head, ensuring prolonged cleaning. Designed exclusively for flooring, making it a minimalist dream. Number 2. Steam 10-in-1 Steam Mop. Drowning in a sea of appliances in your kitchen? Streamline with our brilliant all-in-one steam mop. Far more than just a tool for pristine floors, it's your next favorite clothes steamer and window squeegee. Of the myriad models we've tested, its adaptability truly stands out, confidently tackling everything from classic hardwood to vinyl, tiles, ceramic, and even carpets. Want to transform wrinkled shirts or smudgy windows? Effortlessly switch from mop mode with a simple button press, and pick your weapon from its array of handy nozzles. The crowning jewel? Revel in its extended steam stamina, offering a whopping 25 minutes of consistent heat at full throttle. The specifications? It's got a cord length of 15.9 feet. It weighs a featherlight 2.2 pounds. Its tank capacity is 12.8 ounces. The adjustable steam? Absolutely. Floor mastery over hardwood, vinyl, marble, carpet, ceramic, porcelain tiles, and more. Number 1. Bizzle Powerfresh Steam Mop. Welcome to the Champions League of steam mops. The Bizzle 1940 Powerfresh doesn't just clean, it revolutionizes the way you view floor maintenance. Crafted for nearly all hard surfaces, be it sealed hardwood, gleaming marble, or chic laminate, its finesse is unmatched. Unlike the rest, it boasts 3 customizable steam levels, ensuring you have the right firepower for every mess. But what truly sets it apart? The genius flip-down easy scrubber brush. Say goodbye to those stubborn, dried-on spills. And here's the showstopper: it delivers all this prowess at a price that won't have you double guessing your budget. While others brag about bells and whistles, the Bizzle 1940 is all about functionality. It may not parade a suite of accessories, but it proudly presents the Bizzle fragrance discs, ensuring every cleaning session ends with a refreshing aroma wafting across your floors. Boasting an extra long cord and a generous 16-ounce tank, you're equipped for an uninterrupted cleaning spree. And its efficacy? Nearly impeccable. Tile and concrete spills? Vanquished in less than 10 sweeps. Grout cleaning? A smidge of grout cleaner and it's as good as new. Now, a little hiccup. It's mysteriously devoid of directions. But worry not, its intuitive design ensures you're up and running in no time. If your checklist reads affordable, dependable, and straightforward, look no further. The Bizzle 1940 Powerfresh is your match made in cleaning heaven. Enduring excellence. In real-world testing, the Bizzle 1940 gracefully handles everyday cleaning tasks. Laminate floors? They don't just clean, they gleam post-session. While its size may feel slightly hefty, its performance is weighty in all the right ways. But remember, always plan its storage. Its tank, sizable and efficient, promises no mid-session refills. Wrapping up, it's not just a choice, it's the gold standard in steam mopping. The key specs? Its dimensions are 11.6 by 7.1 by 28.6 inches. It weighs 6 pounds. It has a water tank capacity of 16 ounces and a cord length of an impressive 23 feet. Share in the comments which steam mop suits you best and your reasons. Thanks for tuning in. If this video was of help, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. For more content, subscribe to our channel. Catch you in the next video.